Hey, what's up guys? My name is John, this is my tech channel. Today I got a boxed iMac G3. My dog was loving it, I think. I'm not really sure. I love that I have the box. I can't find any pictures of a lined box online anyway, so it's actually kind of cool. But that's not it. I'm gonna open it up. Well, would you look at that? I actually have not opened this yet. This might be where the mouse is. I'm guessing. Here we get the mouse, keyboard. Ooh, start here. I don't know if that's what this is for. This will be important. So that's actually cool. I always wanted a boxed copy of iMac G3. Styrofoam, and there she is. Surprise! It's actually a Bondi blue one. It's not actually lime because it has the slot load, or not slot load. The one that comes out, whatever it's called. Sorry, the tray load. But yeah, I'm gonna actually put it up on the table so we can look at it a little better. So before I show you the Mac all set up, I already have the keyboard and mouse up. We're looking inside this little box. This is the keyboard box, and this is iMac with the 6 different colors. 6? I thought there was only 5. Oh, I guess that's the graphite one, which doesn't show it. But yeah, let's look for an Epson Stylus Color 740. I'm not really sure what the printer looks like. Oh, here it looks like this right here. Yeah, so it's nothing related to the Mac. But ooh, that looks. I have not looked in here yet either, so it's gonna be interesting to me. So you got a CD for it. And that's also for it. This is also for it. Wait. This is cool. This is not for the iMac. This is for that monitor. I had a chance to buy this monitor at one time and never did because it was just too big. I never really thought I would use it. But yeah, there it is. Really cool. A bunch of history in here. Before I do go over there, I'm going to say I got this for free. Like, just because I had mentioned it in a group chat, and someone had said they had one. I knew they had one because the history behind it is that she found it on the side of the road and took it, and then I ended up mentioning it, and she's like, yeah, I don't really need it. So I was like, she gave it to me, so that's cool. But yeah, it was on the side of the road, so I went through it out. So I don't know if they upgraded to the green one. I doubt it. No, I'm kidding. They did not do that. Maybe, but I doubt it. So yeah, let's go look at the Mac. Should probably look at the box as well. This is obviously for the lime one, so it's not actually for the one we're looking at. But it looks like it would have had a 400 megahertz PowerPC G3 CPU, blah blah blah, 64 megs of RAM. Oh, it supports up to 512, cool. 10 gig hard drive, ATI Rage 128 GPU with 8 megabytes of SD-RAM, 15 inches, obviously what it is, 13.8 viewable, blah, blah. Obviously, this is all normal. This one would have had AirPort. I'm not sure if the one I have has an AirPort. Oh, I forgot to mention the thing on the side. You'll see it over there. It has the cover, which I totally forgot to mention. Here's all the stuff for it. Yeah. I'm not going to show you the neck of this part because it has an address on it. But it just says www.apple.com. And over here it says 1999 Apple Computer Inc. This side of the box looks pretty decent. It's the back of the computer. Wait, oh, this is not even the original. This is like the old one I have. I did not know that. There's a side. This is probably the best side of the box. This has an Apple logo on that side. There's nothing up here. And over here, it's pretty rough. It has tons of holes. Looks like someone stabbed with a pencil a bunch of times. This would have been an iMac DV. This product contains software that cannot be exported outside the United States and Canada. This is cut out for some reason. I thought this was a good side, but that's not as good as I thought. But this is definitely the best side. This little cut there, which is okay. So yeah, I'll probably have this facing out. under the desk or something. I gotta find a space for it because I really don't know where to put it. I'm running out of computer space. I need to start getting rid of some stuff. Well, there the G3 is. Well, we got 2 of them now. And I just gotta figure out how I'm gonna set it up exactly. Just there's a little space, but like I want to make it good. I don't want to put it in the corner because there's a door right there. So I really like this mouse. I'm trying to figure out how. Is it just this button or these? I guess it's just this. And this moves in the middle, which is actually really cool. Like that's kind of cool. Because the other one came with the standard Mighty Mouse. So yeah, first thing I noticed like differences is obviously the drive, this drive, and that the sensor, the IR sensor. I'm not sure where the IR sensor on this one is. It could be elsewhere. There might not be one, but I thought there was. And there's 2 headphone jacks there, and on this one it's here. And then these are like different shaped. If you, that's more like a circle. This is oval. On top, you got these here. Well, this one doesn't have the vents there. They're kind of integrated into the handle, while this one's just a handle, you know? So, Bondi Blue and I believe that was called, not Sapphire, Indigo. Indigo and Bondi Blue. And, oh yeah, the picture on here is that one right there. But the box is that one. So, yeah, it's actually really cool. So these might end up switching spots. Just kind of depends how I want to set it up. If I want to have it set up straight on, or if I want to have it tilted at an angle like this one and that one. I'm not sure yet. I got to figure that out. I don't want to look too cluttered, but I know I can fit 2 on this desk somehow. So yeah, thanks for watching. I tried to upload a little more because I've been kind of not uploading for the past month. I have videos, just never edit them, but this one will be uploaded as soon as possible, and then the other ones will follow because this is an important video and it's pretty short. So thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.